So we are going to be solving this doll maker riddle by putting the doll back together. So we need to fix it and find all the parts for it. I would say this puzzle's easy. The only difficult part is probably, I think, finding the right arm, because it's really easy to miss. And come down this hall here. Will be for the left arm. The first easiest part to find. Go. Well, you take a picture here of an event. Oh, let's open this while we're here. And a radiant filter. Using the special. Unlock it. Go upstairs. Let's just get rid of this guy. Here we will find the left arm, but it's easy to miss because see the door right there? Right there. Some people just kind of miss it. As you can see, it's right here. Then we come to this room here. Girl by box. And we take the picture. We expose the box. And then we have the right doll arm, which is located here in the Kirryu House storeroom. Oh. I think there's something here we find. And that's it. Over here, a little up the stairs. Go down the stairs. Leading girl. And go downstairs to another rate. So, staring at Pop. Can we get the doll head? Open this door. You know, I never really tried to see if we can try to open this door already. I don't think we can. I think we need to trigger it first. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. To make it do a lot of backtracking. So we put the doll parts in, and it's like it won't move. Something is missing. Back. Elementing man, also known as blocked. I hate when they disappear slightly into things and I can't take them down. You have to wait till they leave. A little small area. Down here. Trigger it now, I think. Fetal plant. It goes down. There goes the door. We use the radiant filter. Open the door. The special. Open the door. Then we get the doll maker's note number 7. The manual. I'm just going to do a quick heal. Check the safe spot. Then we're all healed up. Now let's go to the, I think it's called the hanging doll room. Yeah, the Kirryu House hanging doll. I'm gonna put the radiant filter back on. camera real quick. Grab the eyes. Down. Get the eyes. And let's go back. Running back to the doll room. Let me put the eyes back in the doll. And then I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4 left to right. Yeah, one by one. All right, there. And then solve preparing the doll.